Hello students, this video I'm going to talk about how to make the basic structure of hydrocarbons based on the name given to you. Example, a hydrocarbon named pentene is given to you, and how do you draw the structure of the hydrocarbon based on that name. So we are going to discuss about that today, how to draw the molecular structure of various hydrocarbons if the name is given to you. So every hydrocarbon has two parts. The name can be divided into two parts. One is the prefix part, another is the suffix part. Now what does the prefix do is, prefix gives you the number of carbon atoms and suffix gives you the bond. So look at this. If the number of carbon is 1, then it's meth is used. 2, then eth is used. 3, then prop is used. 4, then but is used. 5, pent is used. If the number of carbon is 6, then hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, non, and 10, dec. There are more than 10 as well, but usually in class 10 you don't need more than 6. 6 is usually the highest number asked. Then that they are the prefix. Now next is the suffix part. So there are 3 suffix used. Either ane is added on the back of the prefix. Example, I just told you pentene. That is, pent is the prefix part and ene is added on the back, so ene is the suffix part. So what does this ane, and yne do is, it gives you the number of bond in the molecular structure. Example, if there is ane on the back, then all the bonds between carbon atoms is singular bond. There is only one single bond between the carbon atoms there. If there is ene in the name, then that means there is at least one double bond in the hydrocarbon. And next, yne, that means there is at least one triple bond between the carbon atoms. So what you need to remember now, after remembering this prefix and suffix, is these prefix and suffix will help you determine the molecular structure. But for that you should know two things. One is, hydrogen can form only one bond and carbon can form altogether 4 bonds. It is compulsory for all the carbon atoms in the molecular structure to have 4 bonds. So it is very easy. So I have written the steps there. Look at that. First, determine the carbon number. Second, determine the bond use, and that is done to the suffix 1 number. Determine the number of carbon is done to the prefix part. 2 number, determine the bond is done to the suffix part, and then draw the structure. Very simple. So let's see a few examples. So let's draw a few structures. Example, in your examination what came is, draw the structure of pentane. So this is the name given to you. So now we can divide this name into 2 parts. First, prefix part. Pent means, you can see this table here. Pent is given only when the number of carbon is 5. You can see this. So that means number of carbon in the name given is 5 carbon. So pent means 5 carbon atom. And next, ane is given. So that means there is single bond. So let's draw the structure now very easily. So pent, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms. And there is single bond between all carbon atoms. 1. So I already told you, every carbon atoms have altogether it has possibility of forming 4 bonds. 1 bond is formed by this already. So that means 3 bonds are remaining. So let's add the 3 bonds. Now it's very easy. In these 3 bonds, hydrogen is added. Similarly, look at this carbon. It has already formed 2 bonds. 1, 2. So 2 are remaining. So H. Same goes to this. Already 2 are there. 1 is on the upper side, 1 on the down. 4 bonds. Same goes to this. Now 3. For this carbon atom, only 1 bond has been formed. 3 are remaining. So add just those bonds. So this is the pentane structure. So look at this. It's very easy to draw the structure if you remember the steps. Second, I'll show you one more, that is propine. So prefix part prop and then yne. So look at this table again. So prop is, that means it has 3 carbons. So let's draw the 3 carbons here. 1, 2 and 3. Then yne means there is at least one triple bond. Look at this, triple. So triple bond is there. So in between any one carbon atom, you can choose any one. So let's keep here 1, 2, 3 bond. So remaining you draw only one bond. So now left is to fill the hydrogen. So look at this carbon atom. 3 bond has already been filled. One bond is empty. So H. Here 3 are here. 1 is here. 4 is already formed. So this carbon atom is not going to take any hydrogen atom. Look at this. Only one bond it has formed. So it can take 3 more hydrogen atom. So this is the structure of the propine. Hope you can draw it easily now. Thank you.